If you've been thinking about moving to Atlanta, Georgia, you're not alone. Atlanta continues to attract new residents every year thanks to its strong job market, diverse neighborhoods, and unique blend of Southern charm and big city energy. Atlanta's economy is powered by industries like film production, technology, healthcare, and logistics, making it one of the fastest-growing job markets in the Southeast. While the cost of living is generally close to the national average, housing prices reflect the city's growing popularity. Median home prices are around $425,000, and average rent for a one-bedroom apartment typically ranges between $1,700 and $1,800. Many people relocating to Atlanta choose their neighborhood based on lifestyle. Midtown is known for its walkability, art scene, and modern high-rise living. Buckhead offers upscale shopping, luxury homes, and vibrant nightlife. Areas like Cabbagetown and Candler Park provide historic charm, tree-lined streets, and a quieter residential atmosphere while still being close to downtown. Like many major cities, Atlanta does come with its challenges. Traffic can be heavy, especially along major routes like Interstate 75, Interstate 85, and the Perimeter Highway, Interstate 285. Because of that, many buyers prioritize finding a home that keeps their commute manageable. But what truly makes Atlanta special is the lifestyle. Residents enjoy beautiful green spaces like Piedmont Park, a thriving food and entertainment scene, and one of the most culturally diverse communities in the region. For buyers relocating to Georgia, Atlanta offers the opportunity to experience big city amenities while still enjoying Southern hospitality and welcoming neighborhoods. And if you're exploring homes in the Atlanta area, there are many beautiful properties and communities that might be the perfect fit for your next move. And if you'd like to learn more about homes for sale in Atlanta, reach out to Bob Hale Realty to explore available listings and new construction communities.
Thanks for touring this home, brought to you by Bob Hale Realty. Thanks for tuning in to the Georgia Homes for Sale channel and Bob Hale Realty.